Hello everyone. आज की वीडियो बहुत important है because I'll be guiding you through workouts that'll help you maintain your abs.
We focus so much on building our abs, but not everyone knows abs maintain कैसे करें. A lot of people think that abs are maintained solely through weight training, but that's not entirely true. In order to maintain your abs, you need to have a clean diet, and targeting your abs during your workout is also equally important. Stretching before your workouts is actually very important, so let's start with some stretching.
The first stretch that we're gonna do is the body twist. यहाँ पे खुद का body को right to left twist करना है. अब इसी movement को 15 to 20 times repeat करना है. अब जो next stretch करना है is the hip rotation. For this movement दोनों हाथ hips पे रखना है and हमारा hips को rotate करना है in a circular movement. And the last stretch that we're going to do is the quad stretch. इस movement के लिए knees को bend करना है and ankles को हाथ से पकड़ के पीछे की तरफ पूरा stretch करना है. अब हम ab workout शुरू करेंगे. The first exercise that we're going to do is the plank. Plank आपकी ab muscles को target करता है and helps in strengthening your core. अभी we'll hold this plank for 30 to 60 seconds, 4 से 5 sets के लिए. Now we're moving on to crunches. Crunches भी आपका mid section को target करता है और आपका core को build करने में help करता है. We'll repeat this exercise for 20 to 30 reps. Now the next exercise that we're going to do is the reverse crunch. आप लोग ये exercise कहीं भी बैठ के कर सकता है. Now just follow the movement that I'm doing and repeat this for 15 to 20 reps. अब जो last exercise हम करेंगे वो है lying leg raises. अब इस movement के लिए you just have to lie down on your back and put both your hands under your glutes. आप दोनों legs को साथ में उठाएंगे and धीरे धीरे करके पीछे लाएंगे अपने कोर पे फोकस करें. We'll repeat this movement for 15 to 20 reps.
Thank you for watching our videos. See you next time.